have been waiting for the Enchanted Christmas luxury glitter cardstock to get here, and it's here. It comes in a box like this. There are 24 sheets. You get a sample of each one on the front, but I thought it would be fun to bring them in individually. So you get the purple. I'll show them to you this way, and you get the silver. And you can see the glitter. Now, what's so important to tell you is this isn't rubbing off. I'm not having glitter on my fingers. I'm not getting it on the table. It's just really nice. So you get the purple, you get the silver, you get the blue, and you get a black. Really nice. So they're 8.5 by 11 sheets. You're going to get 6 of every single color, and there are the 4 colors, so 24 sheets altogether. And it is a cardstock, so it's a nice sturdy weight for you, and they're beautiful, and they're in stock.